Hey everyone, today is Self-Love Sunday, and today is about practicing self-kindness. Now, self-kindness can be really difficult to practice on ourselves because we tend to be our own worst critic, um, replaying crap from the past, things that we wish we would have done differently, etc., etc. The list is long, but the important thing here is to make sure that we are kind to ourselves, that we are loving to ourselves. Practicing self-kindness it takes some time to get into because you are reprogramming that, because you're not used to being kind to yourself. So for today and for the rest of the week, or just continue to make this a practice on a daily basis, is when you are faced with certain inner dialogue that has you questioning who you truly are, or has you beating yourself up, then take a moment to stop and really look at that inner dialogue and determine and intend to change that inner dialogue, to create something different, to create a different dialogue for yourself. And that means creating a dialogue around being kind to yourself, of telling yourself that, hey, it's okay. Whatever happened in the past is in the past. It cannot be changed, but I can grow and expand and evolve from a different way of being, a different way of thinking. So we don't want to look at the past and beat ourselves up for it. We want to take what we learned from the past, that growth, that inner knowing, and begin to change things from where we are. And that's all part of being kind to ourselves. So just pay attention to that this week, and I hope you have a good week. Bye.